PTC has been helping a lot of manufacturers, and one of the biggest changes that we've seen in the automotive OEM industry is, when it comes to digital transformation. How are you guys helping them transform digitally, adopt AI, and, get the modern technology out there?
It's an interesting one because indeed we are at the inflection point now. We see the OEMs actually wanting to move from the discrete or the silo approach to a more integrated approach. And that brings a lot of opportunity for us. So what I mean by that is we are making sure that we offer the product data foundation, which is the baseline for any organization to make sure that product design is not just an engineering artifact, but is actually utilized for a more meaningful innovation. So the organizations don't want AI as a discrete solution. They want AI to be layered as an intelligent layer on top of the data foundation. So that's where we are coming in, making sure we have the right data foundation built in, and then stack it up with the AI tech that we offer and make the whole innovation process meaningful.
How is the AI story going for PTC when it comes to, your engineering softwares or, what's the road ahead? Where are we at?
It's an interesting one because indeed no conversation today is complete without talking AI. So as I said, we are, of course, as an organization consuming a lot of AI to make sure that we build efficiencies in our systems and processes. We are bringing in a lot of AI in our tools. So right from our CAD tool and Trio to PLM, which we have Windchill, we are doing it in a meaningful way. So what I mean by that is we want to start with a right product data foundation. As they say, garbage in, garbage out, right? So we really need to make sure that we just don't bring AI for the heck of it, but we create that structured data layer where AI can then come in and can actually help you address some of those questions around where my data should be used, how it should be used. So getting the right information at the right time is where we bring in AI. And we have a lot of capabilities. You will hear more throughout the sessions today. But I think we are completely poised towards deploying AI in a purposeful way such that the whole processes around product development become efficient.
Michele, you often talk about like the digital thread, and it's playing a mission critical role when it comes to, on the OEM side. How is the world of the automotive moving towards that digital thread?
Yeah, so I would say the digital thread had moved from a best practice to a mission critical system or let's say technology. The reason why is that you mentioned SDV, EV, shorter life cycles, right? Each of them independently, I would say, raise the cost of not knowing. So, and all three together makes it mission critical. What does that mean, cost of not knowing? Cost of not knowing is figure out, let's start with electric vehicle. So electric vehicle is a system of system. You have battery, you have software, you have the mechanical part on it, you have thermal management on it, right? And they are not isolated systems. So, and if you don't know the behavior of that, let's say the battery temperature increases, it has an effect on software, the software has an impact on the degradation of the battery. So this is a interconnected system right now, and this is why you need to know from requirements through the product, how it was made, when it was made, and this is why a digital thread is mission critical, because you need to know how your product looks like, and to be honest, there are two kind of organizations: one who knows their product through the whole life cycle, and the other ones, they are always one, let's say, surprise away from a crisis they do not see coming. This is how I would describe a digital thread and why it is mission critical. The big trend, you mean? I don't think there is one trend. I think that it also needs to come together. And I would say closing the loop, I would say Tesla is maybe most advanced in that one. He owns everything, right? The car is just one product that he sells, but he owns the whole platform. So with every car he sells, he gets user experience, he gets vehicles data, he applies AI on it, and all this will become a trend to combine all of this, right? it's not a single one, I would say.